Get your geek on as we explore the coolest gadgets of the year. From futuristic robot dogs to smart devices, this video is packed with the tech that will leave you drooling. So let's not waste any more time and jump right into the world of cool new gadgets. Have you ever considered having a loyal and intelligent companion that's more than just a toy? Bittle is the world's first palm-sized, servo-activated bionic robotic dog. You can use the remote control or the smartphone app to guide your programmed robot pet through the environment with lifelike movements, and it will even perform tricks for you. But that's just the beginning. Bittle's AI capability enables you to teach it to perceive its surroundings using an intelligent camera module or compatible sensors, making it a real-life quadruped marvel. Designed for ages 14 and up, it's a gateway to enlightenment, a perfect gift for STEM enthusiasts, programmers, engineers, and geeks. Elevate your skincare routine with this LED Photon Rejuvenation mask. Imagine having a single mask that offers not one, not two, but a stunning 7 different LED color options, each delivering a unique and targeted benefit. Transform your skincare game by harnessing the power of colors. Each shade has a purpose. Banish inflammation and sterilize with the soothing blue LED, or let the red LED work its magic on wrinkles and skin tones. Acne scars? No problem. The purple LED is your answer. Plus, the mask high-quality LED lights generate zero heat, meaning it's safe and suitable for all skin types. MEMO is more than just a wallet. It's a tool for organizing your life on the road. It boasts a sleek form factor, accommodating up to 6 cards while keeping your information secure with RFID blocking technology. Both the wallet and its whiteboard are made of high-quality 6063 aluminum and are built to last, opening and shutting with a magnetic end brace. And there's more. The MEMO pen, equipped with a 0.8mm fine point and eraser, ensures an impeccable writing experience. The 4-pack of MEMO pens lasts up to 18 to 24 months, guarantees that you're always ready to jot down your inspirations. Looking to make your workouts more engaging and effective? What if you could combine fitness with the thrill of immersive gaming? Your body will be the main controller with the Quell fitness gaming console. You'll fight tough opponents by punching, dodging, sprinting, blocking, parrying, leaping, and casting spells, with each action providing an obvious workout benefit. There's no need for fighting experience. Put on Quell's lightweight wearable and experience every moment with haptic technology, adjustable resistance, and high-performance motion tracking. Each gaming session will burn more calories than a run, cycle, or spin class. With Quell, the future of fitness is now. Our lungs face several dangers daily, so how would you know whether your lungs are in good conditions? With the help of BULO, you're just a breath away from uncovering your respiratory prowess. This sleek, lightweight gadget lets you breathe naturally while meticulously assessing your lung performance. BULO doesn't stop at measurement, it transforms into your personal breathing coach using its embedded AI technology, and with the convenience of automatic storage for your exercise records, monitoring your daily, monthly, and yearly progress has never been easier. Can you imagine a single device that caters to your sleep, relaxation, focus, and stress relief needs? Let's take a look at the Sleepisol Plus A device. It has 4 separate settings and a flexible and comfy band. When you use this product, 2 little electrodes on your forehead send a sequence of tiny electrical pulses to your brain. The electrical pulses sent will construct a pattern to alter your brain waves, depending on the settings selected. And if that's not enough, this device is linked to a partner app, which allows you to select an appropriate timer for your session and check your band's session history. Have you ever thought about how to ride safer, even in the darkest of nights? Well, say goodbye to danger with the incredible Clic-Light wearable smart LED signal. With a dazzling 6,000 lumens of brightness, this innovation cuts through fog and extreme weather, ensuring that you're visible up to a jaw-dropping 80 car lengths away. Furthermore, the fully flexible design attaches to a 4-way harness or a backpack, and this LED signal is suitable for everyone from bicycles to motorcyclists, skateboarders to scooterists. And guess what? The Adapt Light system guarantees continuous visibility, regardless of the outside light condition. Have you ever wished for an alarm clock that could make waking up a soothing experience? Say hello to the Arc Alarm Clock. With its sleek minimalist design, the Arc Alarm Clock elegantly displays your alarm time instantly, enhancing your bedroom's aesthetics. Additionally, the clock is made of excellent materials such as cast zinc and durable mineral glass, and it promises to be your morning companion for the next decade and beyond. Engineered to perfection, the chime is designed to wake you up at an appropriate speed and frequency of 494 Hz to prevent causing worry before the day begins. Step into a world of comfort and freedom with Respiray Wear A+, your ultimate solution to allergies. This device offers a constant stream of pure allergen-free air, allowing you to reclaim your indoor space without worries. Crafted for comfort, it boasts a feather-light design, ensuring that you can wear it anywhere. Its innovative HEPA filters work tirelessly to eliminate those pesky particles from pet dander to pollen, offering fresh, clean air. And here's the best part. Up to 8 hours of battery life on a 1.5-hour charge provides all-day protection. With a simple neck strap, you're only moments away from a refreshing breath. Ever wondered how to effortlessly keep all your devices charged no matter where you are? Look no further. With the Matrix 3-in-1 charging becomes an awe-inspiring experience. This modular system works at your desk and on the go, whether you utilize the accessories together or separately. But hold on, there's more. This gadget has up to 15-watt rapid charging and can keep your everyday devices charged at all times. So say goodbye to cable clutter and tangled messes because they are completely wireless. The Matrix 3-in-1 devices are also designed to amaze with their cutting-edge key and MagSafe compatibility. Looking for a way to improve your entertainment experience? Let's have a look at the VANKYO mini projector. It can display an astounding 250-inch screen with tremendous clarity, making it ideal for office presentations, educational initiatives, or transforming your living room into a home theater extravaganza. The VANKYO 495W boasts true Full HD 1080p resolution, delivering a mind-blowing 125% increase in brightness compared to its counterparts, ensuring an unparalleled cinematic adventure. But that's not all. This product is also equipped with Bluetooth connectivity to connect to external sound systems to enhance the experience of a true theater. The Carepod One humidifier is a scientific masterpiece designed by a doctor to bolster health, well-being, and immunity. It effortlessly elevates your surroundings while diligently moisturizing the air up to 30 milliliters per hour. Cleaning hassle? No more. With only 3 parts to wash, disassembling and maintaining the Carepod One is a breeze, ensuring optimal hygiene. Safety and convenience take center stage as the Carepod One boasts an automatic shutoff that safeguards against low water levels and set time completion. And for those who prioritize sterilization, the food-grade 304 stainless steel tank can be boiled, ensuring absolute safety. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for cool new gadgets, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let us know in the comments what you think of these gadgets, and of course, we'll see you in the next video.